What's the meaning of communiqué? Communiqué. Communiqué.
Communiqué. Communiqué. A communiqué is a formal document or announcement from an organization or government that communicates information to the public. The purpose of a communiqué is to provide a clear and concise summary of important news or decisions. In summary, a communiqué is a formal way for an organization or government to share important information with the public. It serves as a clear and concise summary of news or decisions and aims to keep the public informed and up to date.